Hello, everyone. This is again your coach, Leia Madrid, and today I will tell you about the mean, the median, and the mode. It may be inevitable in your research paper to use mean, median, and mode. But there are instances when you feel like you are on the crossroads and you don't know which of the three is more appropriate to use in your research paper. And that is what we will discuss today. The difference between the mean, median, and mode, when and how to use them. First, we have to understand that the mean, the median, and the mode are also known as measures of central tendency. Bakit sila tinawag na central tendency? From the word central, ibig sabihin gitna. So ito yung kalagitnaang number or value ng data na meron ka sa iyong research. They summarize a data set with a single number to represent a typical data point from the data set. Kaya lang, ang tanong ng karamihang researchers, lalong-lalo na if you are a beginner, sino sa tatlo? Si mean, si median, o si mode ba ang tamang representative ng data na hawak mo ngayon? I-define muna natin. Mean is also known as the average. Wow, sounds easy, right? Kasi pag sinabi mong average, you just add all the numbers in your gathered data or in the set and you divide by the number of values in the set. Halimbawa, meron kang 5 scores. Score A, score B, score C, score D, at score E. I-add mo lang silang lahat at dahil 5 sila, i-divide mo sa 5, yun na ang mean. Very easy, right? Pero minsan, we feel intimidated by these formulas. Mga formula din ito ng mean. Pero they are just here to represent different versions of the formula. Now, it doesn't make it any complicated if you understand what it means. So here, the mean is derived by just adding score 1, score 2, and hanggang dun sa n o kung ilan yung score mo. Kagaya dito sa ating simpleng formula. At kung ilan man sila, yun yung n, i-divide mo lang. Pareho lang sila, di ba? Ito naman yung shortcut. Shortcut kasi madaling tandaan. Pag nakita mo tong sigma, itong parang letter E na malaki, that is called sigma, which means summation. Summation is simply the sum of the data that you have. Parang itong A plus B plus C plus D plus E. I-add mo lang lahat ng X mo. Wow, may hugot yata doon. Kung ano man ang summation nila, i-divide mo sa kung ilan sila. Pareho lang din, di ba? Hep, hep, hep. Ma'am, mukhang pareho lang naman tong dalawa. Pero ano tong parang letter U? That is called the mu. Mu ay ginagamit na symbol if you are using an entire population for your research at hindi sample size. Balikan natin, ang sample ay kapiranggot lang. Kaya nga sample lang eh. Ang population, sana all. O di ba guys, mas madaling tandaan ang mean. Now, one important thing that you have to remember sa mean ay ang property niya. It includes every value in your data. Kaya maganda siyang gamitin. Sana all nga eh. Pagdating sa mean ang usapan. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng elements, lahat ng number, lahat ng data, isa-summarize mo. Ia-add mo kasama lahat. Walang naiiwan sa laylayan. In addition, The mean is the only measure of central tendency where the sum of the deviations of each value from the mean is always zero. Pero, hindi lahat ng kagandahan ay nasa mean. It also has one disadvantage. Remember that when you are using the mean, it is particularly susceptible to the influence of outliers. Be careful of your outliers, guys. These are values that are unusual compared to the rest of the data set by being especially small or large in numerical value. So, ang outliers mo ay yung mga sobrang taas o sobrang baba ng value. Halimbawa, sa exam ninyo, merong isa na naka 100, tapos meron ding isa na naka 0. Pero lahat naman, aside from those two, average lang, nakapasa lang. Okay lang yon. Pero, paano kung sa 10 nag-exam, 8 ang naka-0? Ibig sabihin, hahatakin nung 8 naka-0 na yon yung mean value ninyo pababa. Therefore, kung hinatak niya pababa, hindi na iyon ang central tendency niya or hindi na iyon ang central value niya kasi nahatak siya pababa. Next is the median. Ito ang pinaka-cute sa lahat. So, simple lang ang pagkuha ng median. N, o kung ilan sila, plus 1 divided by 2. Kagaya nito, 11 sila, 11 values, plus 1 equals 12 divided by 2. Ibig sabihin, ang pinakagitna niya ay yung pang 6th value. To make it clearer, tingnan natin ang example dito. Meron akong numbers dito. 11 yan. Kahit i-check nyo pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First, i-arrange mo muna siya from smallest to the highest. Ano ang gitna ng 11? 6. Diba? So, yung pang 6 na value, yun ang median niya. Tingnan mo, may 5 number sa kaliwa at 5 number sa kanan. Kaya, equal silang 5 dito, 5 rin sa kabila. Ito ang pinakagitna, kaya ang median niya ay 56. Huwag mong kalimutan, ulitin ko, kailangan i-arrange from lowest to highest. Pero paano kung hindi odd number? O di kaya, 2 ang value ng median mo. Kagaya nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kung 5 ang median mo, kung 5 ang gitna, alanganin ka. Kasi wala namang value sa gitna. So, kung 6, alanganin ka rin. I-arrange mo siya from lowest to highest, gaya ng una. And then, make sure na pantay sa kaliwa, pantay rin sa kanan. Makikita mo dito, 4 sila, 4 din sa kanan. May 2 value ka dito, kunin mo lang yung average. 55 plus 56 divided by 2, ang median mo ay 55.5. Next, we have the mode. Sa lahat ng central tendencies, ang mode ang sinasabi nilang pa-fame na central tendency because this has the highest frequency among all your data set. That is why the mode is also used for categorical data or nominal data, wherein we would like to know which is the most common category. Let's take a look at this bar graph as an example. This graph actually tells us the transportation preferences of some people in certain areas. So we have here the first one for cars, for train, and then the last one is for bus. I mean, the third one is for bus, and the last one is for tran. So you don't even have to compute here. At just one glance, you would be able to see that most people or most respondents prefer the bus. Pinakamarami, pinakasikat, pinaka-common among the responses. That is your mode. All right. I think that one is very easy. Now let's take a look at your normal distribution. Guys, remember what I told you earlier about the normal distribution? Imagine this graph. We fold it in the middle. Both the left side of the graph and the right side of the graph will show you just about the same size of curve. Ito yung curve na tinatawag natin, or what we call the skewedness. Halos pantay at perfect ang kanyang shape as a cone. Para bang mayong volcano or Mount Fuji? This is what we call normal curve. Kaya nga pag sinabing normal ka, you are at an average. Kasama ka ng karamihan. No? Hindi ka naiiba. For example, human intelligence. Ito yung mga taong normal. Yung pag kinausap mo, magkakaintindihan kayo, yan, nandyan sila. Pero, yung mga kahit anong gawin mo, hindi kayo magkaintindihan, parang may kulang. So, nandito sila sa medyo mababang intelligence level. Okay? Ngayon, punta ka naman dito sa right. Ito naman yung mga sobrang talino. So, akala nyo pag sobrang talino, bilib na bilib kayo, no? Guys, yung mga sobrang talino, hindi sila part nitong nakararami. Therefore, they are not part of the normal population. So, under the normal curve, yung mga outliers, ito, yung sobrang baba, outliers na sobrang taas, they affect the mean. No? So kung pantay ang curve mo or normal ang curve mo like this one, ang mean mo ay most likely nasa gitna pa rin. So it is still considered a good measure of central tendency. But guys, sabi nga ng karamihan, the heart breaks uneven. Oh wow, parang humuhugot si ma'am doon. Okay, it's because not all the time you will be getting normal curve or normal distribution in the data set that you have gathered in your research. Let us take a look at this one, skewed distribution. So ito, makikita mo, yung curve niya dito masyadong steep, pero dito masyado siyang skewed sa right. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina that the outliers, ito yung outliers, so masyadong mababa, masyadong matataas. They affect your mean value. And in this case, pagka ganito, researchers would rather use the median as a central tendency measure. Anong mga example nito? Halimbawa, sa exam ninyo, marami ang nakakuha ng mababang score. Yan, no? Ito nga yung mode mo eh. Pero, ito yung central, ito talaga yung gitna. Ito yung passing grade. Dito, pakonte-konte, iba-iba yung scores nila. Pero pag pinagsama-sama mo ang mga ito, mas marami pa rin sila kaysa dito sa nag-iisa mong mode. Now, etong napakaraming ito, ang humatak sa mean mo para mapunta siya dito at hindi siya kapantay ng median. There you go. Now, I think it is clear now the difference of the mean, the median, and the mode. And anong nakakaapekto? Bakit sila pwedeng magkaiba-iba ng value even if they are all considered a central tendency? So, kung clear na yung difference nila, saan naman natin sila dapat gamitin? To make it easier, here's a summary for the type of variable that you have in your research and the best measure of central tendency that you may use in your paper. Nominal or categorical, tandaan nyo, ang hinahanap natin ay yung most common. No? Halimbawa, sino ang pinaka maraming naipon nung Pasko? Yan, mode ang hinahanap mo dyan. Saang barangay ang pinakamaraming COVID? Mode din ang hinahanap mo dyan because the variable you're looking for is nominal. If you are looking for ordinal variable, from the word ordinal, you have to arrange it from highest to lowest. Then you may want to consider using your median. But then, not all ordinal numbers or ordinal set of data are in the normal distribution. So, depende kung skewed or not skewed. Pag not skewed ang ratio or ang iyong data, not skewed means normal ang distribution. You can use the average or the mean. But, if the data is skewed o yung sinasabi nating banking ng konti o hindi pantay, may kinikilingan, we better use the median. So kung may kinikilingan, we better use the median. There you go. I hope that makes it clearer. Kung sakaling may tanong pa rin kayo, please subscribe to my channel and watch out for the next video. You can also put the comment in the comment section so that we can address that in our next vlog. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye!